Okay, before we begin, allow us to introduce ourselves. And I am Anwar Amin bin Mahmud, the team leader, and Nur Balkis binti Ramzaini, and Azra Faris Mukris bin Azhar. And today we will talk about investment and compound interest, fixed deposit and periodic interest, and home loans and repayments.
My name is Azra Faris. I will start question 1a. In this question, we will use the formula S equal to R, open the bracket and open again brackets, 1 plus I, close the bracket, power of n minus 1, divide I, close the bracket. According to Jeremiah formation, Jeremiah investing as much as 100 to R while every month into his paradise mutual fund account for 8 years. Make 8 years is T. Beside that, the interest rate of 0.06 make that is K. And compoundly make M is 12. The formula I is the K divide M, and formula N is M multiply T. Into the sum, S equal to 100, open bracket and open the bracket again, 1 plus 0.06 divided by 12, close bracket, power of 12 multiply 8 minus 1 divide 0.06 divided by 12, close bracket. And final answer for question A1 is the 12,282.85 cents. That's all for me for question 1A.
Now we are moving to question 1B. Deborah deposited 7,500 ringgit into a bank account that paid an interest rate of 5.5% compounded every 6 months. Find the interest earned after 3 years. As we know, P is the original principal. In this statement, the amount that she deposited is the original principal. So, 7,500 ringgit is labeled as P. The nominal rate is 5.5%, labeled as K, change it to 0.055. M is a number of conversion period in a year. In this statement, it says compounded every 6 months. 1 year has 12 months. So, 12 divided by 6 equals to 2. So, M is 2. And the time period is 3 years, labeled as T. First, we need to find S. What is S? S is the maturity value. We need to use the formula given to find the maturity value, and you will get 8,825 ringgit 76 cents. And the question wants the interest earned after 3 years. So we need to calculate to find an interest that she earned. So we use the formula I equals S minus P. It means interest equals maturity value minus original principal. And you will get the answer 1,325 ringgit and 76 cents.
Okay, for the question C, the situation is Herman bought a terrace house at 650,000 ringgit, and he paid a 10% down payment, and the balance was financed by taking a loan for 25 years. The interest charge was 5% compounded monthly. Okay, for the question C1, the problem is we need to calculate the monthly payment and the total interest charge for this loan. So at first, we need to calculate the down payment first, which is 10% of 650,000 ringgit is 65,000 ringgit. And next we subtract the down payment from the total price of the house, and we get 585,000 ringgit. So this 585,000 ringgit is the loan amount that Herman needs to finance. So to calculate the monthly payment, we will use the formula A equal to R bracket 1 subtract bracket 1 plus I bracket power of negative n and divided by I and bracket. So after insert the values into the formula, we find that the monthly payment is 3,419 ringgit and 85 cent. So to find the total interest charge, we need to calculate the total payment made over 25 years. So then we subtract the loan amount from the total payment, and we get 440,955 ringgit. So the total interest charge over 25 years is 440,955.
For question C2, use the formula A is equal to R open bracket 1 minus open bracket again 1 plus I close bracket negative power of n divide I close bracket. Because this question 1A, first 25 years minus 4 years equal 21 years. Enter in the formula R is 3,419.85 cent. Get at question C1. Open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.05 divide 12 close bracket. Negative power of 60 divide 0.05 divide by 12 close bracket. And the final answer for question C2 is 181,220 ringgit 27 cent. That's all for me for question C2.